What's percolating? This is Pascal for the Vanguard Global LLC YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how you can build business credit in the fastest way possible. So first, all you need to do is simply go to a business credit card, which are pretty much the same as all the credit cards that you would currently use. So any of the Visas, MasterCards, Discovers, Amexes, or whatever, all of them have business credit cards that they can authorize to you for your business. So simply put, there's three types of credit. The first type of credit is personal credit. I'm not going to go too much into that because, everybody knows personal credit, or you should know. So the second type is business credit. And business credit is credit that is granted to you for your business, or is granted to your business where you or somebody else involved in the business as a guarantor. It's pretty simple. And then the third one is corporate credit. And corporate credit is credit that is granted to your business, but is based purely on the good standing of that business. So if you built up your corporate credit by getting all the usual suspects like Uline, FedEx, Kinko, whomever, there's a crap load of them. So all of the corporate credit stuff that you see in the world, as I mentioned, it could be UPS, Uline, FedEx, Kinko. It could be one of the computer companies. A lot of people used to like to get credit from Dell. There's a wealth of them, and if you really want to delve into it more, all you have to do is just simply Google corporate credit vendors, and you'll get a crap load of people that will offer you corporate credit. It's pretty simple. The same thing for business credit. So if you're trying to build cash credit, then you're going to want to deal with business credit. And so with business credit, once again, it is credit that is granted to your business, but you or somebody else involved in the business is a guarantor. So simply put, the same way that you would go online and fill out a credit application for a credit card, let's say it's Capital One, just off the top of my head. What you would do is you would simply go and fill out the application for that credit card for Capital One. But the difference would be, instead of filling it out for a regular Capital One credit card, you're going to click on their link for a business credit card. And you're going to put in all of your business information, including your tax ID number. And along with that, you're going to end up putting in your social security number. And so they're going to basically run your social security number. When they run your social security number, if you have decent enough credit, hopefully you're rocking a 700 plus FICO score. It'd be nice if you were, because you're going to end up getting more credit. And the rule of thumb has always been, if you're able to get $1,000 in personal credit, then you should be able to get $1,500 to $2,000 in a business line of credit card. And the reason is simple, is because if you're utilizing credit for your personal use, like you're going to go buy some, some bull crap, like, you use your credit to go buy jeans, clothes, or whatever, they don't want you to have too much money. But if you're going to use it because you're utilizing it to grow and build your business, then they're going to give you more money to grow and build your business than they are going to give you for your personal stuff. So let's recap real quick. All that you need to do to start building business credit is go to whomever. It could be a card that you already have. So hypothetically, let's say you have an American Express personal card, right? American Express, I can't even think, gray card or whatever. The deal is, you can also go and apply to American Express because they know you. And if you have good credit and you're paying all your bills with them, they know you. And so you apply now for an American Express business card or corporate card. What's going to happen is you're going to put in all your same information, but you're going to add your business information, simply meaning your tax ID number. And when you add that in, your business name, your tax ID number, along with your social, then they're going to run your social again. And then they're going to simply decide whether or not your credit is up to par to give you a business line of credit card. And once they do that, you can duplicate that process over and over and over again. And so what you can do once you have that popping is you can also add in other people that are a part of your business, at least, on paper, a part of your business. So you can have a secretary, a vice president, another president, your CFO, chief financial officer, or whatever, and you can add all those different people to your business and then subsequently go and apply for credit. A lot of people do this and they'll raise $1 million or $500,000 or whatever if they have enough people on their team with good credit and they have, let's say, a project. They want to start buying property or something of that nature, and they want to virtually cash out on that property. So what they simply do is they go and they will each, let's say they have, I don't know, everybody has like a 720 plus FICO score, and they're able to acquire like $50,000 to $100,000 in business line of credit cards. Well, if everybody does that, and then as a pool, as a unit, they take these business line of credit cards that they've acquired, then they go out and buy a piece of property with it or buy a business with it. And that's simply it. You're just simply multiplying you. And by doing that, you can raise whatever you want. So one person with good credit can easily raise over a period of time, let's say 6 months, $150,000 to $300,000, depending on the strength of your personal credit. And so if you multiply that times 3, 4, 5 people, even 10 people that you have on your team, then you can raise, obviously, multiply 150,000 or 300,000 times 5 people or 10 people if they all have decent credit. So that's pretty much it. I just given you the game. People charge thousands of dollars for that crap, but I know it. I've been doing it for damn near 30 years, teaching people this. So now I'm just giving you game. So if you want to, the other thing is you have to have an LLC or corporation. You need a legal business entity, meaning an LLC or a corporation, to make that happen. Because once again, you're putting in your tax ID number and you're basing it or predicating this whole, scenario on your business. So you got to have a business, and you got to have, an LLC or corporation. It doesn't have to be in your state, but it's preferred, in my opinion, to have a legal business entity set up in your own state, and that way you are in control 100%. So if you want help setting up your LLC or corporation, you can check us out at LLC and Corporations Plus.com, or you can just give me a call directly. Send me a text first, because I get a crap load of calls, and just say, I saw your video and I'm interested in setting up a corporation or LLC in your particular state, and I'll be more than happy to help you with that. So just FYI, we don't do shit for free. So our corporations cost $699, and that includes your state filing fees. That includes helping you set up your tax ID number, all that good stuff, and as well as we will give you 6 months of our time, meaning you can give us a call, talk to us, and say, hey, I need help with XYZ in my business for that $699, and we'll set up your business for you and give you a shitload of coaching and knowledge. So I wrote a book. It's called Credit Building Masterclass. You can find it on Amazon if you want. Or we'll just give you the book and also give you our $5,000 coaching program, which is Credit Building Masterclass. And the objective of that coaching program is to help you build from $50,000 to $300,000 in the shortest time possible. And it's really about building up your business lines of credit and also your corporate credit simultaneously. And that's how you're going to build up to a few $100,000 or more utilizing our program, which is, once again, Credit Building Masterclass. Okay? So $699, we'll be more than happy to set up your corporation or LLC in any state you choose, preferably your home state. And we'll also give you all the coaching, all the help you need in structuring your business. If you're interested in signing up to be a government contractor, which under this current administration, I don't know if it's really a worthwhile proposition or not, but we can help you with all of that. And if you need to set up your LLC or corporation, but we also have a specialist on team that is excellent in setting up nonprofit 501c3 corporations. So she can help you with that, and she is proficient, very proficient. Whether you're setting up a church or just another organization, we charge $2,500 to set up a nonprofit 501c3, and that also gives you, all the IRS paperwork and everything else that needs to be filled out and completed. We'll do all that for you. And if you're interested in setting up a trucking company, we have another person who's extremely proficient at setting up and helping you build out your trucking company. She'll show you the ropes. I mean, she is a dispatcher and a broker, and she knows her stuff inside and out. And that program is also $2,500. So if a basic LLC or corporation, hit us up. We can help you out, $699. Plus, once again, we'll give you our $5,000 for any of the things that you do with us, whether it's the nonprofit, the trucking business setup, or just the basic LLC or corporation. We'll give you our $5,000 coaching program, which is also called Credit Building Masterclass, similar to our book. All right, thank you very much. If you have any questions, you can text me directly, actually, at 951-515-4728, 951-515-4728, and give me a bit of time to respond to you because I get a shitload of texts and calls. Thank you so much, and you guys have a fantastic rest of your day.